Hi Prince, how are you?
I'm fine. And what about you?
I am really great. Today we are going to make a conversation. Are you ready for this?
Yeah, I'm definitely ready.
Okay, Prince, you are looking so confident today, and I think you will definitely give the proper answer of my question. Really?
Yeah, of course.
Okay, first of all, I want to know from you, where do you live?
I live in Sihor at Devnagar colony.
Yeah, that's great. You have completed your 12th class and you are waiting for your result.
Yeah.
How much percent do you expect?
I expected my percentage above 85.
85%. Okay, it means you want to win 25,000 rupees from the government.
Yeah.
Okay, suppose you will get 25,000 rupees. So, how would you like to spend this money?
Uh, I don't know about this condition, but I think I can purchase a laptop or a cricket kit also.
Yeah, that's great. To buy a laptop is a really good thing. If you buy a cricket kit, so that will not be helpful for you because as I know that you want to become an IITian, and you want to give the exam of IIT. So first of all, you have to buy a laptop. It's cost about 50 to 60,000 rupees. So you have to invest your money to buy a laptop.
But I have already a laptop of my sister and also a computer I got by my family. So I don't think about the laptop. So that why.
Okay, no problem. So I think you should go for a new mobile phone. That is
Yeah.
fantastic instead of cricket kit.
Yeah, my
But okay, if
parents.
you are fond of cricket, so you can buy the cricket kit, no problem.
Yeah, I have already a cricket kit, but some equipments I have getting older. So I think about that.
Yeah, that's nice. That's awesome. I have another question. Yesterday, I watched a match of CSK in Punjab Kings.
Yeah.
What would you like to say about CSK?
Because of his first match, he preparing very well, and they perform very good in yesterday's match.
Okay, that's great. I have some basic questions. First of all, I want to know from you,
Yes.
how do you manage negativity? Because sometimes we have to face some negative things in our surrounding. So I want to know from you, how do you manage this?
I think I'm very positive person, and I don't scared about the negative things. So there are only one thing: stay positive everywhere, and you can over of
That's
negativity.
great. But sometimes we have to trapped in the negative kinds of things. And suppose you trap in this, so for the solution, with whom do you want to talk?
I don't talk about any person, but sometimes I really chat with my friend and I listen motivated song and looking for a motivated reel who motivates me a lot of.
Okay, that's great. In the bad situation, in the bad time, with whom do you like to spend your time and why?
I spend my time alone because in my bad times I don't want to get someone who attached with me because he also get frustrated because of my bad time. But
Okay, that's great. But I think you should talk with your family members because your family knows you very well and they can give you the easy solution of your problem. If you will share these kind of things with your brother or sister, I think they will definitely help you.
yeah, sometimes I talk to my friends or my family member. They will motivates me and they will give us the proper solution of it.
Okay, no problem. You are absolutely perfect in these questions. The next question I want to know from you. What do you think to start a YouTube channel in this time? YouTube is really a revolutionary thing. We can
Yes.
earn a lot of money by using this platform instead of Instagram. So, what do you think about to start a YouTube channel?
Yeah, I think YouTube channel has also a very good skill to earn money because nowadays content creation is very good skill for everyone and YouTube is very cheap platform to earn money.
That's great. Your choice and your words are so perfect. That's cool to listen you. I want to know from you, how can we start a YouTube channel? Because first of all, we have to create a content.
Yeah,
Then we will have to make a video. We have to do editing in this. So which kind of application should we use to make perfect editing?
I think I prepare my application. I used VN app and sometimes I used KineMaster and also you can use CapCut app.
Okay, I used KineMaster application in 2025. But if you will edit your video through KineMaster, so there will be a logo of
Yeah.
KineMaster. So how can I remove the logo of KineMaster?
So I don't think I don't know about the KineMaster because I don't use very much. I use VN app.
VN. Yes, I am using VN application. that is a good application.
Yeah.
We can make a proper content without making any kind of charges.
Yes.
You know, but I have to face some problems to creating thumbnails. Some students comment my YouTube channel that sir, your thumbnails are not so good. You have to make some changes in it. You know, I am an educator. That's why I'm not able to give the proper content. I am giving the content properly, but thumbnails I am not able to make. So could you please suggest me any application with whom by this I can make a perfect thumbnail so that the students and the ones who want to watch the content of spoken English and 6 to 12, they can click my video and they will watch me.
I don't think that you have to already work on very well on your thumbnails. But if you want to expand your thumbnails, so you can use Canva. It is very good application or free application, and sometimes you can use Pixlab. It's also it is a
Yeah,
very good
I have
application.
used Pixel app to make a banner image of my YouTube channel because it is really very difficult to make a banner image.
Yeah.
You know, yeah, I have used it. But you know, Canva is really a fantastic application to create thumbnails.
Yeah.
But editing is really very difficult. I want to learn it, and in 2026, I will learn. And I am learning in my summer vacation time. I am utilizing my time. I watch regular content of spoken English, and I really want to learn editing so that the students can catch with my YouTube channel.
Yeah, also if you learn the Canva application, so you will get the half of the graphic designer work, because nowadays graphic designing is a very good opportunity to everyone, and also in thumbnails and video editing also there are very good skills to learn.
Okay, Prince, you know, I am not perfect in English, so I want to join a coaching classes so that I can boost my English. So where should I go?
I think you should come Vision Institute, because I already comes here, and I don't think that you are not good in English. You are better in English.
Okay, suppose the new student want to come there.
Yeah.
So this is the perfect place for them.
Yeah, I think if he had basic knowledge of tense, active, passive voice, like other things, so he has to come here.
Okay, thank you so much giving your time. You are perfect in this. The last and final question of me from you.
Yes.
Which type of YouTube channel do you want to start in your future time?
You know, I'm doing study nowadays and I'm playing cricket, so I want to start a YouTube channel about my study or mixing cricket,
Okay.
like daily routine work, how to create.
It means you want to make your vlogs.
Yeah, like a blog.
Yeah, but you know, people don't like to watch your vlogs because it is very difficult to engage with the people. You
Yeah.
are not an actor. Okay, some people know you, but okay, but you will create a regular vlog, so they will be interested to watch you. I think you
Yeah.
should use a proper content. Suppose you are buying something. Suppose you bought a mobile phone, so you should give a review about the mobile. That will be really helpful for you.
Yeah, we can also use a time-lapse video, like a person who study with pure emotion and also played cricket, who do hard work on their work, so they got viral about this content.
Okay. Thank you so much for giving your fantastic words in the class. You know, the session was really cool, and still you are feeling so energetic. I am sure that if you will do the practice these kind of things about 2 to 3 months,
Yeah.